The job is to lift a mobile communication system to a height of 85 meters. The characteristic of the site is the access road. We're here in the middle of the forest where the streets are in parts 3 meters wide. It is almost impossible for a truck to reach the site. My name is Christoph Kriegel. I'm field service engineer at Wiesbauer. I'm responsible for the project planning for crane and transport work. Due to the small space available for access but also for location, we chose the MK140. With the MK140, erection is twice as fast as with a conventional telescopic crane. The set-down platform is at a height of 85 meters. Thus, we need a hook height of just under 92 meters. For this job, the MK140 was the perfect crane, and I'm really very satisfied that everything went smoothly.